So meet our guide for this journey, this very curious cat. And the main question we're trying to answer is right there on your screen.
Biḍālaḥ kutra asti?
Where is the cat? This one simple question is going to be our key to unlocking a whole bunch of new vocabulary. You heard that right. In just the next 5 minutes, you'll know 10, count them, 10 different ways to say exactly where that cat is. We're going to make this fast, fun, and really easy to remember with some handy study tips. So, you ready? Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with the most basic pair of opposites you can think of, up and down. Once you get these, you've got the foundation for describing pretty much any position in space.
Upari means on or above. So Biḍālaḥ kutra asti? Biḍālaḥ pustakasya upari asti. And Adhaḥ means below or under. In that picture, where is the cat? Biḍālaḥ kutra asti? Biḍālaḥ pustakasya Adhaḥ asti.
On to our next pair. Our cat has found a box. And what cat doesn't love a box, which is just perfect for showing us the difference between in and out. Ah, the classic cat in a box. You gotta love it. This gives us the perfect visual to see the difference between being contained inside something and being totally free outside of it.
So according to this picture, Biḍālaḥ kutra asti? Biḍālaḥ manjūṣāyāḥ Antaḥ asti. The cat is inside the box. So the word for inside is Antaḥ. According to the picture on the right, where is the cat? Biḍālaḥ manjūṣāyāḥ Bahiḥ asti. The cat is going to go outside the box, or we can say the cat is outside the box. Biḍālaḥ manjūṣāyāḥ Bahiḥ asti.
Let's move on to our third pair of opposites. Now our cat is playing with a ball, which is going to help us understand the difference between front and back. So the word for in front of is Purataḥ or Purataḥ. A little memory trick, just think of it as being at the pure front. And for behind, we've got Pṛṣṭhataḥ, pronounced Pṛṣṭhataḥ. For this one, imagine you always push an object from behind. Purataḥ and Pṛṣṭhataḥ. You're doing great. All right, let's tackle our final set of opposites, left and right. These are absolutely essential, whether you're giving directions to people or, well, cats.
Asmin chitre Biḍālaḥ kutra asti? The location of cat in this picture is based on the plant, Pādapaḥ. So in the first one, Biḍālaḥ Pādapasya Vāmataḥ asti. The cat is to the left of the plant. Biḍālaḥ Pādapasya Dakṣiṇataḥ asti. The cat is to the right of the plant.
Okay, let's look at our last two scenarios. These are our two final crucial location words.
How do we say the cat is near something? Near word is Samīpe. Atra Biḍālaḥ Patrasya Samīpe asti. The cat is near the bowl. Then if it is in between something, here the cat is in between the two trees. So Biḍālaḥ madhye asti. Madhye is for in the middle of.
You've just built yourself a foundational Sanskrit toolkit for describing location. So how about a quick-fire review of everything we learned to really lock it all in? Here it is, your own personal cheat sheet. Let's run through them one last time. Upari, on, like upper. Adhaḥ, under, at the bottom. Antaḥ, inside, like enter. Bahiḥ, outside, like you're waving bye-bye. Purataḥ, in front, at the pure front. Pṛṣṭhataḥ, behind, you push from behind. Vāmataḥ is left. Dakṣiṇataḥ is right. Samīpe, near, in the same place. And madhye, in the middle. Sounds just like metal. Boom! That's 10 new words in your Sanskrit vocabulary. So now you can confidently answer the question, Biḍālaḥ kutra asti? You can say the cat is on, under, in, or near something. With this brand new toolkit, the real question is, what will you be inspired to describe next? Thanks so much for joining this little explainer and happy learning.